Welcome to Wise Up Wednesday. Well, guess what, folks? It's dues time. Our dues are due by June 30th at 5 p.m. Let me show you how to make this payment because we love money. First of all, you're going to go to your homepage. And on your homepage, there is this arrow right here that says Make a Payment. That's where you're going to click. But remember, we only have a few more days left to pay your dues. Let's click on that tab, Make a Payment. It is in the small dashboard in the middle of the home page on the far right. Click, and when it pops up, you are going to need to scroll just a little bit, and the very first button, Annual Dues, $36 a month, this is what your annual dues amount will be, is going to be right here. Check out. Click on that, and now you're going to fill in the blanks. And as soon as you do that, it's going to take a little minute to pull up. It's going to say check out. It's going to say the New Mexico MLS. It's going to have your dollar amount down here. You're going to key in your payment, email address, full name, fill in all of the blanks right here. Continue on down. Let me know if there's a different address or different shipping information. And now you get to enter your credit card number, expiration date, and the code on the back if you're a Visa, MasterCard, Discover card. And if you're American Express, it will be the code on the front of the card. Once you've entered all the data, you're going to click this button right here and pay your dues with plenty of time to not get yourself in trouble. You will get a transaction receipt, and once I process it, you will get a payment receipt for your tax records. If we go back to the home page, I just want to remind you, these are your annual dues that start July 1, 2023 through June 30th, 2024. We have a countdown clock that tells you how many more days, and they must be paid by 5 p.m. on June 30th. I will turn you off and deactivate your PARAGON account at 5:01 if I have not received any of your dues. I will not be paying PARAGON if you are not going to be paying me. You can pay by check and pop it in the mail to this address right up here, 7 Caliente, Suite A11, PO 1001. You must have the suite and the PO all together. Santa Fe, New Mexico, 87508. If you decide to pay by credit card, you're going to click on the Make a Payment button. If you want to call me, and I will do it over the phone, there will be a 3% convenience fee charge for you. And that, folks, is how you're going to pay your dues. It is how you're going to make a payment, and be sure to do it between June 30th at 5 p.m. Thank you, and Wise Up Wednesday.